All you need is 5 simple ingredients to make this homemade pickled onion recipe at home. Start with a plain base and fancy it up with whatever flavors you want. I'm gonna teach you how, so stick around. Aloha my kako, my name is Relle and welcome to my kitchen where I like to share all my favorite Hawaiian and local recipes. And today I've got a good one for you. We'll be making some pickled onions. And the secret to delicious pickled onions is to make sure you've got the best onions. And these are sweet Maui onions. My neighbor gave me a whole box of them. Super good. We'll get to this in a little bit. But first, we'll want to make the pickling sauce, juice, mixture, I don't know, what do you want to call it? But we're gonna set a pot over high heat. It's already kind of high, so when I pour it in, it's gonna go psh. We're gonna add some water into that. Called it. Some vinegar. This is white distilled vinegar. Some people like to mix and do like apple cider vinegar. I usually just do plain. You'll want to get some Hawaiian salt. Hawaiian salt is a thicker rock salt that's used here in Hawaii. It's sea salt. That'll go in. You want to pour that into the pot here. And you'll also want to add some sugar. This is the trick. I know a lot of recipes don't use sugar, but this one does. We'll add that in. The salt rises the boiling temperature of the water, so it'll take a little bit longer to get boiled. But basically all we want to do is get this so that melts through. Melts, dissolves, that's a better word, dissolves. So we're gonna mix this up and that'll sit in the pot and heat up until the salt and the sugar has dissolved. So keep an eye on that one. Now, if you like local recipes or Hawaiian recipes, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my channel, and you can hit that red subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be updated every time I post a new video. Now, remember, I was talking about these delicious onions. These are sweet Maui onions. If you can get your hands on these are amazing for pickled onions. Other onions you can use the red onions. I guess you could use plain white onion, but get these if you can. So just like any old onion, it's got a root and a top, and so you want to cut it in half like that, straight through. And you'll want to peel off that paper outside. 1 or 2 layers out. So for pickled onions, you can make the onions into whatever like shape you want. I tend to do them in strips, but you can do them in chunks or however you want to do them. Pickling is a way or a technique that was used to preserve foods. So this also helps kill like that pungent taste of onion. So in order to make strips, we're gonna wanna cut the top off, and then we'll cut the root off, and then you're gonna cut top to bottom, root to tip. And you're gonna kind of want to make them thin, and you're just gonna slice through like this. Then try to keep them generally the same size. When you get towards the end of the onion and you feel like it's gonna tip over on you, just tip the onion down like that, and then you can continue making slices. And then those mason jars work great, the ones that we sterilized earlier. And then you'll go ahead and set the onions into the jar. A little, a lot. I like to make it in a little bit smaller batches, share with family and friends, or just so that like once you open it up, you're not sticking your hand. Well, you really shouldn't stick your hands into it, but you're not, poking things in and grabbing it throughout. You could probably do 1 small onion in here. So let's cut up the other half. Once you feel like the onion's gonna, oh, you know what? I totally forgot to cut off the root, but you know what? No problem. So you just stack it back up to how it was, and you can just trim off the root like that. I'm not a chef. I make mistakes. I'm human as well. And then slice this. Like that. Put these in. And you know what? It's probably perfect timing anyway, because the pickling liquid, oh, yeah, there's that oniony ness. Making my eyes water. Pretty full. So you fill it up like this. Let me finish these up and I'll be right back. Now that we got one more onion sliced up, we can add that to the jar as well. Pickled onions can go on so many different things. They're a great poo-poo side dish to go with whatever plate lunch you're eating. Put them in your burger if you like. You can put them on so many things. Why is it always so hard to get the last few pieces? So now that the pickling liquid, all the salt and sugar has dissolved, as you can see, it's just a clear liquid like this. Then we can pour it into the jars. Be careful, it's hot, but I got me some new pot holders, and this was from Manuheali'i. They sent me a box of goodies pot holders. This top is from Manuheali'i. If you like them and you want to check it out, I'll leave a link to their website in the description box below. Gorgeous Hawaiian print clothes, check them out. All right, we'll go ahead and pour this in. I'm right-handed, so let's turn this way so you can kind of see. Slowly. And you're just gonna wanna pour it till it covers the onions. So once it covers like that, you're good. And then we'll pour this one. Ooh, we're a little short on that one. Can add a little bit more. So if you're short like this, what you can do is kind of punch it down. You can put like something to weight the onions down just so that they sit underneath the pickling liquid, because whatever sticks up isn't gonna pickle all the way through. So this one could probably donate some to that one. I should have filled up that one first, but that's okay. Then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna let this sit out at room temperature for a few hours until it cools down completely, and then you can set it in the fridge, and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is your plain base recipe. You can totally doctor it up and add whatever you want. You can add ogo, which is a seaweed. You can add chili pepper, Hawaiian chili peppers to give it that punch and that spice. You can do chili flakes. You can add bay leaf, I've seen people do, garlic, so many things. But this is the base. If you want to add anything, you'll add it in now. You'll let it cool down to room temperature, and then you'll set it in the fridge. And I've got one that's already set, so I'll get that. And this is the one I had sitting in the fridge. Now this one has some other things in it. It's got ogo, which gives it this color. It has Hawaiian chili peppers, garlic, but super ono. And that's how you make pickled onions. If you like pickled onions and you want it as a delicious side dish to another recipe, then check out this kalbi recipe here. And until next time, hui ho!
Watching my mommy's video.